Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you the most popular Bengali dish, prawns Malaikari or Chingri Macher Malaikari. So let's check what we need for this recipe. Here I have taken 5 pieces of giant freshwater prawns or Golda Chingri, and I have taken mustard oil, ghee, pinch of sugar, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric powder and salt. We will take some turmeric powder and salt to marinate the prawns. And for the gravy, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, pinch of Bengali garam masala, some whole garam masala, 2 bay leaves, 1 dry red chili and half tablespoon cumin seeds, cinnamon stick, some cloves and green cardamom, 3/4 cup fresh coconut. I already soaked it into lukewarm water for 30 minutes, 1 large chopped onion, finely chopped, 1 medium size tomato puree, 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste with 2 green chilies. Marinate with lemon juice. Keep it for 10 minutes. In the meantime, we will make coconut milk. We will grind it in 2 batches. Add some hot water. Now we will make the milk. Our coconut milk is ready. I will show you the consistency. I washed the prawns again. So now we will marinate with little bit salt and turmeric powder. Keep it for 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, turn on the gas. Now we will keep the flame on high. When we will fry the prawns, we will keep it on medium. Add some mustard oil. Do not fry too long, otherwise it will become hard. Okay, now flip the other side. This side is done, so remove all of them. In the same pan, we will add half tablespoon ghee. Now we will add whole garam masala, 2 bay leaves, 1 dry red chili, half tablespoon cumin seeds, cinnamon stick, some green cardamom and cloves. Now we will add chopped onion, pinch of sugar. Keep stirring on medium heat until onion is not getting golden brown. We will add ginger garlic and green chili paste. Saute it for 3-4 minutes. Now we will add turmeric powder, half tablespoon turmeric powder, tomato puree, saute it for 4 to 5 minutes at least. Okay, after 5 minutes, we will add Kashmiri red chili powder 1 tablespoon, cumin powder 1 tablespoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon. The masala is getting dry, so we will add little bit coconut milk. Now we will add salt to taste. Keep stirring on medium heat until the oil is not getting separated from the masala. It's almost 3 minutes. Now we will add rest of the coconut milk. Cover it for 2 minutes. Now we will add fried fishes. Cover it for 5 minutes. Okay, it's almost 3 minutes, so we will add green chili, whole green chili and Bengali garam masala. Mix it gently. Cover it for 2 more minutes. Let's check. Chingri Macher Malaikari or prawn Malaikari is ready. Turn off the gas. Let's serve. Serve with steamed rice. If you like my recipe, please subscribe my channel and let me know. And do not forget to press the bell icon, then you will get more videos notification. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.